Thanks for waiting.
Do not approach me unannounced, especially when I'm eating.
We were supposed to be having lunch together, remember?
I was hungry.
Well, I'm hungry too. Excuse me.
Yes.
Could I have an order of Unzillen caviar? Make that a double order.
Caviar. For lunch.
I'm in the mood for something salty. You're excused. Is something wrong?
It has been a difficult day. The torpedo guidance system failed. It was my fault.
You always say that.
It was my fault. I designed that guidance system.
Worf, calm down. I think you're under more stress than you'd like to admit. Maybe you should get some rest.
Perhaps you were right. If you will excuse me.
I didn't mean right now.